Iqembu iParty for Action likholwa ukuthi lizodla umhlanganiso okhethweni lohulumeni beyindawo ngesonto elizayo ngesiqubulo salo esithi 777. Ngaphansi kwalesiqubulo lizokhankasa izinsuku eziyisikhombisa linqobe omasipala abayisikhombisa ngamaphuzu ayisikhombisa eithembiso nezinhloso zokhetho. Leli qembu lithi uma linganqoba omasipala abathathu eLimpopo kanye nabane eGauteng lizoqeda yonke imigomo ebekiwe yokunqanda iCovid-19.
They are playing their game and we are losing jobs every day. So lockdowns cannot under any circumstances be a medical measure. It remains devilish, it remains inconsiderate, and it seeks to frustrate the citizens who are looking for a job. It seeks to frustrate the citizens who are hoping for a better day tomorrow.
Ngolesithathu leli qembu lihlele ukusebenzisa isakhiwo somasipala owahlakazwa ngo-2016 eLeokaneng.
So the ineffective leadership that was in Iqembu until 2016 could have been voted out. So the government was very strategic with ANC, of course, in planning to segregate our people in terms of service delivery. So now all the villages, 105 of them, are treated as second-class villages in the municipalities that they were pushed in.
Ezinye izakhamuzi zinethemba lokuthi leli qembu lizoxazulula ingqinamba zokuhlinzekwa ngezidingo nqangi.
We want ethical leadership, so we believe in poor. As some of their leaders come from this village, I think they will do better when they get there. They establish the municipality.
IPOA ingenele ukhetho ePulukwane, eGoli kanye naseTshwane.